In this video, I'm going to show you real quick how to reset the oil life indicator on a 2023 Nissan Altima. Not too complicated once you know what you're doing. On the left-hand side of the steering wheel, you'll see the directional pad. We'll use that to navigate us through our menu. When you look at the screen here, you're going to press the right arrow button until you get over to the icon that looks like a little gear at the end. Once I get to that, I'm going to press the down arrow until I get to maintenance. I'm going to press OK to go into the maintenance menu. And then on oil control system, that's where we will reset this. I'm going to press OK. And then you'll notice it says it's due in, and it tells you how many miles. To reset this, I'm going to press the OK button. It's then going to ask me if I want to confirm being reset. I'm going to say yes. And then now the oil life has been reset. That's all there is to it. If you thought this was helpful, please give it a like, comment with any comments, and subscribe to help us make more videos just like this. Thanks for watching.